Consider a cloth that you use for daily cleaning. If it is overloaded with dirt, at some point, it would require cleansing to work effectively. Similarly, the liver is a detoxifying organ in our body that converts toxins into waste materials which then get eliminated through different channels. So if liver function is compromised, toxins get accumulated, which then becomes the reason for various acute and chronic health problems. So how do we know if our liver function is compromised? The liver is one of the hardest working organs in the body, with over 500 functions attributed to it. Being such a vital organ, the body proactively shows signs and signals of any liver problems. Most common being pigmentation on skin, fatigue, premature graying of hair, dark yellow urine, and itchy skin. If you have some of these symptoms, then you might just need a liver cleanse. So in this video, we'll share a simple but effective recipe which can help remove toxins from your liver. Start by taking a green apple and slicing it. Apples contain a chemical called pectin that naturally detoxifies the body. When the digestive tract has fewer toxins, the liver functions in managing the load of toxins. And now take 2 slices of celery. Celery has phytonutrients that help to protect the liver and digestive tract. When consumed, the liver creates certain enzymes that assist in removing toxins from the body. Next, take a handful of spinach. Spinach enhances detoxifying the liver with a bunch of iron and plentiful antioxidants. It speeds up the removal of toxins from the blood and increases total energy in the body. And now take half lemon juice. Lemon is a great source of vitamin C and antioxidants. It stimulates your liver to create more bile. Bile aids in digestion and quickens the process of things passing through the liver. And lastly, take a cup of filtered water and add all the ingredients into a blender. There you have it, a delicious and nutritious liver detox green smoothie that's packed with the power of nature's finest ingredients. By incorporating this smoothie into your routine, you'll be giving your liver the support it needs to remove toxins from your body. In addition to this amazing green smoothie, there are certain factors that can help remove toxins from your liver, including regular exercise, staying hydrated, avoiding alcohol consumption, and taking proper sleep. All these factors will help in renewing your liver. Your hormones will come in places. The body will absorb the nutrients better. Weight loss will become easier. Immunity will improve, and you will feel a better state of health. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.